welcome to my video. So this video is about some people, they are attacking me in comments. They're attacking my videos and insulting me because I say the truth about the polyglots. They don't want me to say the truth about these polyglot YouTubers. So some people choose to attack me in comments. They will tell me that my English is not good, or that I need to work on my English, or all the language that I speak, I cannot speak them good. They will say that the language I cannot speak them good, all the 4 language that I speak. Okay, first, of course, French. I cannot speak French good because I'm still only learning French. I only learned French for a few months, and only I learn using Duolingo or watching some YouTube videos. So no, I cannot speak French. So I don't have a problem if you say I cannot speak French. Do you expect me to know how to speak French or be fluent in French if I only study for 3, 4, 5 months as French and only using Duolingo or some app like that? If you expect that, then you must be a very stupid person. Okay, then let's go to the other language. About Danish. Do you think I cannot speak Danish, but you cannot even speak Danish or Arabic? Some of the people who say that I cannot speak the 4 language that I say that I can speak, you cannot even speak Danish or Arabic, and then you will tell me that I cannot speak them well. And I am native speaker of Danish and native speaker of Arabic Egyptian since I'm a little child. Don't you think I can speak Danish or Arabic if I learn it since I'm a little child? You must be fucking idiot if you think I cannot speak Danish or Egyptian well. And then about English, what fucking language am I speaking to you now? Am I speaking Chinese to you, or Japanese, or French, or German, or Japan? I'm speaking what fucking language I'm speaking now, you fucking idiot moron. What language am I speaking now? You say I cannot speak English, or I'm not good in English. Okay, let's say my English is not perfect. So what if it's not perfect? I think my English is good or very good, even if there are some words or some things I don't know in English, even if some words I don't pronounce it correctly or 100% correctly, but still my English is good. And it's funny that some of these people who tell me that my English is really bad, or pronunciation, or that I cannot speak English well, or that I cannot write correctly in English, but same time many times in their comments they will make some grammar mistakes, or they will make wrong spelling, wrong grammar, and then they will tell me that my English is not good. Who the fuck are you, you fucking idiot? And some of them, they can only speak English. Some of them can only speak English and they cannot even speak it so good. It's their only language they can speak and they cannot speak it so good. But I can speak 3 languages, 2 of them fluently, my 2 native language since I'm still little kid. And my 3rd language, English, I'm speaking good in English. And then I'm starting to learn a little French. And I know few things in Spanish or German, and Italian also few things. And I know a little bit in Tagalog, and I know a little bit in Portuguese, just few stuff like that. And then you come to my YouTube to tell me that I cannot speak English, or I cannot speak all the language that I speak, even if I cannot speak them. So what? It's not your problem. And then you will tell me they will tell me why I criticize or make videos about the polyglot YouTubers if I cannot speak English well, or I need to improve my English. Even if I cannot speak fucking English, I can still say that the polyglot YouTubers are fake or liars, because it's not about how good I speak English, or how good I speak Arabic, or how good I speak Danish, or how good I speak French. It's not about how good I speak language, because that's not really the topic. It's not really about me or how good I can speak language, because it's not about me. It's not fucking about me, man, you fucking idiot. When I say something about the polyglot YouTubers, so it's about them. Why it's not about me and it's about them? Why it doesn't matter how good I speak language? Why doesn't matter how good I speak language? Because I'm not the one who make YouTube videos saying that I speak 10 or 20 or 30 or 65 or 70 or 100 language. I'm not the one who make YouTube videos say that I can speak 10 or 20 or 30 language. I'm not the one who sell ebooks how to learn a language or be fluent in a language in 6 months. I'm not the one who sells some online course and learning a language. I'm not the one who sell ebooks in 40 or 60 different language that I cannot speak. I'm not the one who sell lies. I'm not the one who tell you to give me money on this Patreon or donate me money. I'm not the one who tell you to buy something from me. I did not ask you for fucking money, you son of... Okay, I will control myself. I'll not say these bad words. But I'm not the one asking you for fucking money. I did not ask you anything. I'm not lying to people. I'm not stealing money from people. I'm not asking them to give me money. I'm not selling them some shitty fuck shit ebooks that has nothing useful. So it doesn't matter how good I can speak language or how bad I speak language. Also, I think I speak pretty good in English, and I speak fluently in Arabic and Danish, and I speak a little bit in French now, but still learning. But it doesn't fucking matter how many language I can speak or if I can speak correct or not. You are just an idiot who supports scammers, or you're one of those scammers that use another profile to attack my videos. So this was about me. That the problem is not about me. The problem is about those YouTube polyglots. They say that they can, why I can judge them, why I can say something about them, even if I cannot speak 10 or 20 or 50 language, even if I cannot speak perfect. But I do speak good in the language I speak. Even if you say I cannot do that, but I do speak good in the language I speak. Who the fuck are you to tell me that I don't speak good in the language that I'm speaking? What fucking language am I speaking now? Am I speaking English or no? You idiot. But then, next, this is about the polyglot now. Why I can criticize them, even if I cannot speak English good. Let's say I cannot speak English good, or let's say I just speak like this. Okay, the polyglot and the YouTuber, they come here, and then they are very good. Even if I speak like this, I cannot speak English at all. Still, I can criticize the polyglot YouTubers. Do you know why? Do you know why, you idiot? Is there a brain in your stupid head? Do you know why I can still criticize them even if I cannot speak English good, or if I cannot speak any language at all? Why? Why do you think, idiot? Because if I can see that they're lying and they're not telling the truth, and they're lying about what they can or what they can't, and they sell ebooks making money from their lies, they sell some membership to the YouTube channel, they sell some clothes and other stuff. If they're selling lies, making money selling lies, if I can see they're lying, I can say that they're lying. I can say they're liars, they're fake, they're scammers. If I can see that they're liars and fake and scammers, it doesn't matter how good I can speak the language. So try to use your stupid brain next time. Don't come to my YouTube channel to write some stupid shit. If you want to say some stupid shit, meet me in person. Tell me in person. Don't be a little pussy girl. Don't be a little pussy guy who need to write from some fake profile. Tell me in person if you want to say something to me. If you want to insult me or say something bad about me, tell me in person. Show me who you are. Tell me in person, you stupid idiot. So that's it. Goodbye and thank you, fucking idiots.